Hit that subscribe button, sneakerheads. We upload a video short every day.
Every day.
Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Started to go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. On this video, we're doing the weekly heat. That weekly heat, baby.
Yes, sir. Weekly heat. Weekly heat.
Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
Yes, sir. Weekly heat. Hey, we got those fives, those burgundy fives coming out on August the 29th. Right now, they're asking for 225. Hey, those right there, real deal. It's deep burgundy with a light silver in it. Right now, they're asking price for those is 225. And those come out August the 29th.
So let us know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I'm rocking those. How about you, my brother?
Man, you already know. I didn't even say anything, so you should already assume. You know I'm dropping those, man. Sneakerheads know. They know I don't like them fives, man. Come on, man. They already know I don't like them fives, man. So
I got five on it.
Right, all day long. They already know what's what with it. So yeah, of course. They already know.
Hey, if you already know, sneakerheads, comment down below if you already know. Just type comment, I know already.
That's it. That's all you gotta do. Hey, two things. Two things. Hey, my brother, two things. I don't know and a thumbs up. That's it. That's
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What's next?
All right, moving on. We got the Air Jordan 2 Soft Pink. This releases on August 31st, 25. This is a women's only shoe. Again, you know Jordan 2s don't do good. I do think this is a clean colorway. It does feature that predominantly white upper. It does have that accents of pink, which I think is a good color to me. It's a light pink. So hopefully you will like this, ladies. Let us know in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these? It does feature that age midsole. How about you, my brother? Are you rocking these or dropping these?
You know what, man? That shoe right there with the right outfit on a nice lady or all women. Hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. Those right there. I like that soft pink.
Yes, sir.
I really like the soft pink, and I like, I like that shoe overall, and that color scheme is really, really, it's soft. Hey, women are sneakerheads too. You must have the right outfit. And coming next,
yes,
we got them ones. We got them ones, the OG Palomino. Yes, sir. They come out September the 2nd. September the 2nd right now. Going price for those is $180. You know I'm a one guy, so you know I'm rocking them, my brother, right?
Yes, sir. Let us know, sneakerheads, in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I'm rocking these. I can dig that color. It is clean fall colorway, although the retail price is not going from us. My size 10, going around 230. I do expect prices to drop. As you know, the Jordan 1 UNCs thought to be the sneaker of the year. They're still below 250, so I don't expect these to do good as far as resale. But if you want these for personal, go ahead and cop them up. If you're a reseller, I would recommend stay away from these. So moving on to the last shoe on the list. So some people may hype this shoe up if you're a hype beast. This is the collaboration with J Balvin, the Air Jordan 3. This shoe releases on September 2nd. It does have a very high resale price of $250, but that is very common with J Balvin sneakers. As you know, he did a Jordan 1 already. He did the Jordan 2 already, and now this is his third sneaker collaboration with Jordan Brand, the Jordan 3 Air Balvin. I am rocking these. I love threes, and I rock all the threes pretty much. And I will be trying to go for these pairs. I do not see these performing well. As you know, in the past, all his sneakers start off high and they do drop. They don't retain their value for some reason why. So if you want these sneakerheads, get them for personals only. Resellers, I recommend you stay away from these, but I will be going for these myself. How about you, my brother?
Hey, my brother, that multicolor, hey, I'm digging that. Yeah, I can see that. And then I'm a 3 fan too. I'm 3 fan too. So, everything you said for staying away from it, resellers, hey, I agree with you there. But for it's personal, hey, real deal. So listen, hey, thumbs up on that one. Thumbs up on that one. But listen, y'all, hey, drop us a comment down below and let us know, hey, if you rocking or dropping either of those. But, hey, we got that weekly heat for you. I know you got something to add on it because you love them.
It is a clean colorway. It does feature that neutral predominantly neutral upper. Does feature that what they call a Mediterranean feature. J Balvin himself said that they remind him of the Mediterranean sunset. So that's why you have the faded. But as you know, J Balvin is known for the bright colors, and this shoe reflects the same, his style of using those bright colors. I know it's going to take a certain person to rock these, but I believe with the right fit, you will be able to rock these. Now keep in mind, this is a pretty much neutral shoe, so I believe that you can rock these with almost anything. It does feature that J Balvin smiley face on the back, one shoe. And the other shoe does have that Nike Air branding, which they only normally refer to the OGs, the Nike Air branding. So I know some people are not going to be a big fan of that. But DJ Khaled, as you saw on one of our shorts, he already got his pair from J Balvin. And J Balvin himself rocked these already at the racetrack. So let us know, sneakerheads, at a price of $250. Are you trying to cop these or drop these?
Yes, sir. And if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.